Negros, our partners from the Negosano Young Leaders Institute, Barangay Capitolio, our partner from Darwin, Australia, Mr. Sean Mahoney, at sa mga pinalangga ko nga Negrense nga ari diri subong, at sa mga nagalantaw sa atong selebrasyon sa atong Facebook Live, maayong hapon sa inyo tanan. This afternoon, we gather to be a part of a shared history. The festival has been an expression of our identity as Negrenses, our storic past, triumphs, challenges, culture, and of course, our shared aspiration. It is where every story, every product, every tradition from our 32 local government units comes together to form one proud and unified Negros Occidental. Last year, we said, the future unfolds. Today, we stand in that future, stronger, more united, and more inspired by what we have achieved together. Even as we continue to face challenges in a world that is never without uncertainty. As we embark on this week-long celebration, let us embrace the opportunities that lie before us. Let us showcase the best of Negros Occidental, not only to our fellow Negrenses, but to the world. Together, let us enrich the historical landscape of Panaad sa Negros, ensuring that its legacy endures through time. I extend my deepest gratitude to Vice Governor Joven Alonso and the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, our beloved mayors, vice mayors, and congressmen, our valued partners, the NYLI, and to all our stakeholders. Your unwavering support and commitment are the cornerstone of our success. To my beloved Negrenses, ang Panaad sa Negros kinsukuran para sa aton tanan. Kagang padayon nga kadalagan sini ara gihapon sa aton mga kamot. Your presence here today, your enthusiasm, and your unwavering support remain the lifeblood of this festival. This occasion reminds me of the profound privilege of serving you, to devote my time and energy to the continued progress of our province. Ang mga tion kasubong sini nagapadumdum sa akon nga insakto ang akong desisyon nga ihalad ang akong tiyempo, ikasarang kag bugos nga tagipusoon para sa atong probinsya kag sa inyo tanan. As we open this week-long celebration, let us not only showcase the best of Negros Occidental, but also reaffirm our shared promise, ang aton Panaad, that even in the face of challenges, we will continue to build a province where every Negrense can thrive, where our heritage is preserved, and where our future remains bright. To all those who made this possible, our organizers, partners, performers, and stakeholders, madamo gid nga salamat. Your dedication keeps the spirit of Panaad alive. To my fellow Negrense, ini nga selebrasyon para sa aton tanan. Ang padayon nga kadalagan sa Panaad ara sa aton pagbinuligay, sa aton paghiusa, kag sa aton paglaom para sa mas maayo nga buwas. Madamo gid nga salamat sa inyo tanan. God bless Negros Occidental. Avance Negrense.
Madagong nga salamat, Governor Eugenio Jose Pong Lacson. And the father of the province has officially welcomed everyone, but he still has more surprises later on.